So good morning students, welcome in our class 6th subject mathematics, and the first chapter we are starting, that is the knowing our numbers. Okay, so in your earlier classes you have already studied about the numbers. So how many kinds of numbers you know? First, natural numbers. I hope you know about the natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Numbers from 1 to infinite, that are called natural numbers. Numbers which start from 1 and till infinite, that are called natural numbers. Okay, so numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinite. This sign is called infinite. Infinite means endless, means जो कभी खत्म नहीं होती. So numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, endless. These numbers are called natural numbers. Second, so numbers from 0 to infinite are called whole numbers, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till infinite. Means if we include the 0 in natural number, then it becomes whole numbers. Understand? अगर natural number में हम 0 को और include कर दें, that means it is whole number. Understood? So these definitions you will have to write in your homework copy. Understood everybody? So note down properly. Next number, that is an even number. So numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these are called an even number. Suppose any number 2572. This is also even number. Okay, because last digit should be, or another definition you can write that numbers whose last digit must 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8, यानी वो नंबर जिसके लास्ट में 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 आता है, that is called an even number, or you can say number which is completely divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Understand everybody? So numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, you can see 31. 31 is not divisible by 2, so it is an even number. 57. 57 is not an even number. Okay, so this is also odd number. So from smallest odd number is 1. Then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11 and so forth. These are called odd numbers. Understood everybody? Now number system. How to write numbers in system? There are two systems. One is Indian number system, and one international number system. Okay, so in Indian number system, how to write the numbers in Indian number system? Suppose any number is there. Okay, so this place is called ones place, this place is called tens place, this place is called 100 place, this place is called 1000 place, and suppose 3, 2, like this. After 1000, 10,000, then after lakh, then 10 lakh, okay, then after suppose one more digit, so it is crore. So these types of number system is called Indian number system, and international number system, suppose so now the Indian number system, how to do, how to write in international number system? You can see 1, 10, 100, 1000. So now we will see one by one. First we will see the Indian number system. Okay, so look at here. This is ones place, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, and this is 10,000. Okay, so this place is unit place. So how many ones are there? There are 4 ones. So 4 into 1, that means 4. So place value of this 4 is 4. Understand? Now what is the place value of this 2? 2 tens. 2 tens. Means how many tens are there? There are 2 tens. So 2 multiplied 10, that means 20. Understand? This is 100 place, that means how many hundreds are there? 100 is there. So we can write 100. How many thousand? There are 3000. So place value of this 3 is 3000. So place value of this 2 is at 10,000. So 2 into 10,000. So that means 20,000. Okay. So how to write it? We can write it like this: 20,000. Then after 3 into 1000, 3,000. So we can write 3,000. 100 into 1, 100. We can write 100. 2 into 10, 20. And 4 into 1, 4. Now if we will add these all, so 2, 1, 3, 2. Same answer is 7. Understand? So that means this is called the place value. This is called the place value of particular digits. These are called place value of particular digits. Understand? And face value. Face value means face value of digit means digit itself. Digit itself. यानी अगर हमने किसी की प्लेस वैल्यू पूछी है, व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2? फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज 2 only. Face value of 3 is 3 only. Face value of 1 is 1 itself. Face value of 2 is 2 itself. Face value of 4 is 4 itself. Understand? So face value digit itself and the place value, according to place we will find the place values. Okay? So this is the Indian number system, how to write in Indian number system. Okay, so how can we read the numbers also, that you will see. Suppose number is 1 7 3 8 9 6 4 3. Okay, so ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So first, how to put the commas? We will put the commas in such a way that firstly we will put the comma just before of 3 digits, then after 2 digits before we will place the comma. And how to read crore, lakh together, 1000 together, 100 alone we have to read, and 43 together. So how can we read 1 crore, 73 lakh, 73 lakhs, 89,000, 600, 6 alone 643. Understand? Crore together, lakhs together, thousand together, 100 alone, and these two together we have to read. 1,73,89,643. Understand everybody? So now I hope that you understood, and now some homework you will have to be able. So these are the numbers, underlined digits are there. You will have to write the place value and face value of these digits. Understand everybody? I hope you understood, and see you tomorrow again with new questions. Thank you.